How would you grade your ability to recruit and hire A players into your company? How many of you already know that being able to do just that will dramatically improve your business's bottom line? The key question is, we know it, but what's stopping us from doing it? Gallup poll says that almost 70% of the workforce is not engaged in their roles. So this problem is rampant and it's dramatically impacting your ability to be able to grow your business. I've built countless high-performing teams and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs learn how to recruit and hire A players into their business that have ultimately doubled and sometimes tripled their revenues. As I put 10,000 hours into figuring this out on my own, what I've discovered is that there's a proven pattern, a repeatable pattern, that if you can just understand what it is and understand the nuances, it will change your ability to be able to grow your business. The pattern is define, find, and hire. If you can accurately define who an A player is for you and your business, which is different than everybody else's, then you'll be empowered to go out and actually find them in your recruiting efforts. And you'll be able to put together a hiring process that will allow you to identify them when they're standing right in front of you. Doing this will dramatically improve your team's performance and ultimately increase your revenues. Now, the key to this is you have to first define. How many of you have gotten a referral? You've posted a role, you have people that you know and trust send you great candidates that they thought were amazing. They gave glowing reviews to. You hired them based on one of those reviews, ultimately to find out that they did not meet your expectations. That's because who a great person is for one leader or one business owner does not mean that they're going to be a great fit for you. You have to be able to understand who your A player persona is, what your fit profile is, so that you can now actually be empowered to go out and get them. Now, once you've gotten them defined, now you're empowered to go out and find them. Now, the same thing in your marketing. If you're marketing to everybody, you're marketing to no one. So you've gone out and you've defined a target customer. And when you went out and defined a target customer, you now crafted marketing specifically to speak to them and repel out everybody else. You knew where to go look for that target customer. The same thing goes for your recruiting. Now that we have an A player persona, now that we have a fit profile, we know who that we're going after, we can put together a recruiting plan to effectively attract them into our net. We can speak to them in a way that will resonate, in a way that will make them excited about our business. And once we get them into our net, we now need to put together a hiring process. That hiring process has got to evolve from probably what you're doing today. This is not about competency, folks. This is about the character attributes somebody has. This is about what they're passionate about. And it's also about their competency. But my proven hire to fit process will allow you to interview candidates in a way that will let you see if they fit your A player persona. You'll be able to see it right in front of you. Now, the key to this is every entrepreneur I talk to, they know the exact moment when they realized somebody they hired was not a good fit for their business. The problem was they just identified it too late. The key to your hiring process is let's move those activities up in the process so that you can see it before you make the decision that's going to cost you, your business, and your employees precious time, resources, and money. I've been helping entrepreneurs for the last 4 years with this very problem. And because of my special relationship with Infusionsoft, this is now available to you in what I call the A Player Academy, the very best way to define, find, and hire A players for your business. We just started enrollment and seats are limited, so contact your RPM today.